Onbao shawake. Come, mom's telling you, my phone's dead. Go find my charger. Bring it, okay? Go say, it's in the room. Right. Come. Thanks, sweetie. Come, help mom toss the trash. Go. Run. Let me see. So good. Have some meat as a reward. Wow, you understand everything. Look, mom's hot. Can you turn on the fan for mom? Where's the fan? Help mom turn it on. So good. Come back. Meat's here. Now, you get a reward. Come. A small bite for you. Yummy. I'm thirsty. Get mom water. I'll give you this, okay? Save abite. Wow, you're so good. You're amazing, puppy. You can even turn. Thanks, Anan. Where are you going? What are you doing? Why aren't you a helpful puppy? You need a new snack for every task. Don't you have one already? Which one? You want the one in my hand, right? Do you still want this? If you want it, touch it. If not, you don't get it. Want it? Hey, want to eat? Want it? Oh. Zuha big stick. Take it. Okay, go. Oh, this is satisfying.